All right, backyard dippers, welcome back. John with Discount Salt Pool here, and today we're doing a what's in the box video for the all new core salt chlorinator by the brand CircuPool. Let's open it up and take a look. So here's a view of everything included in the box laid out. Now the first thing that you're going to notice with the core is its integrated design, right? Which makes it very compact and easy to work with. The system has a premium clear cell housing and is also engineered with IP66 rated protection to really ensure the unit can withstand any weather conditions and last for years to come. You'll also notice the digital control panel, which is streamlined and intuitive, where you'll make adjustments and get status notifications from the system's multiple sensors. The panel is composed of 6 status indicators as well as 6 output levels. Okay, it comes with an adjustable turbo mode for up to 72 hours, which is pretty nice, and the system also has cell saver technology to help really maximize its lifespan. Another nice feature is that the system comes pre-wired with a power cable, and even better, it works automatically with either 110 volts or 220 volts, right, which allows for a quick install. The core also comes with some additional items. These include the template guide, which will help you install the unit easily, your plumbing unions, a cleaning vessel, and last but not least, your instruction manual. The core salt chlorine generator comes in 3 different sizes, ranging from 15 to 55,000 gallons maximum capacity, so finding one for your size pool should not be a problem. Please see our sizing questions link for helpful information about selecting the right model size. Now, the feedback on installation for this unit has been pretty remarkable. It is very do-it-yourself friendly. In fact, it's probably the easiest to install model that I've seen. If you have a little bit of space on your return line, it can be installed in as little as 15 minutes. In fact, we made another video showing just that. If you're looking to switch from chlorine tablets, this model couldn't make it easier. But also, if you have an older chlorine generator that needs replacement, the core has adapter kits available for almost all major models, which really allows for direct replacement without any replumbing. The core also comes with a very good 8-year limited warranty for residential use with no do-it-yourself installation penalty. So if you're searching for an especially easy and do-it-yourself friendly salt chlorine generator to take your swimming experience to that next level, look no farther. I'm John with Discount Salt Pool. Thanks for watching.